a color. I'm feeling this color right here. Okay, this is not working. I think I put too much. So guys, this actually works. You just gotta have the correct consistency of the two. And what I'm noticing is that it's not even smudging. Why it looks like this is because the color is so runny and messy. So that's why it actually looks like this. Like if I drag this, but even if I drag this color, it's like going to run down. So, and now we're going to test it. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be creating graphic liner. I know that they are really pricey right now and everybody wants them, everybody likes them, I love them. I do not even own one yet, even though I'm a beauty blogger. So I was like, let me try and create this. So I have this palette here. You know I have a history with this palette, so I was like, let's transform it and let's see if we can make this work. So if you guys would like to see this video, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, this palette literally had moss in it when I did get it, so I wanted to rather change it up a little bit. Now there is a few colors that I'd like to play around with in order to create this whole type of graphic liner. So what you need actually is a little bit of white foundation or a little bit of concealer. Anyone actually works. Well, anyone allegedly works. Now I've never tried this before. It's going to be the first that I'm trying it out on camera with you guys. So I'm going to be using the plastic of this palette here. So I do have a little bit here. So what I'm going to do now is take a color. I'm feeling this color right here. They literally have no names on it. So now I'm going to mix this. Okay, this is not working. It's not mixing. I think I put too much. Maybe I did. I don't know.
One eternity later.
So guys, what I'm deciding to do now is to scoop up the foundation from here and just mix it inside this color right here. So let's see if that works. Okay, so
Much later.
and now we're going to test it. Oh, it's nice. Oh, I hit a miss. Oh, it does look nice. I think I just chose the wrong color. I should have went with something more lighter. Oh, more darker. I chose one very close to my skin tone. So guys, this actually works. You just gotta have the correct consistency of the two. And what I'm noticing is that it's not even smudging. So even though normally concealer like smudges, this isn't even smudging. It's going on very smoothly. So if you're having like a pastel day, this is actually going to be working for you. Look at how stunning is that. It really came out nice. I'm so glad that I tried this. So guys, now I'm just gonna curl up and add some mascara, and let's see how it actually looks. Oh my word, this looks so pretty. So I think I'm just gonna have another line at the bottom. I've not had enough of this yet. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit more mascara, but this time to the bottom. Now guys, I just want to see how this looks with some eyeliner on the inner corner. Oh my word, this looks so nice. So guys, this is what my hands look like to achieve this look. Why it looks like this is because the color is so runny and messy, so that's why it actually looks like this. Like if I drag this, but even if I drag this color, it's like going to run down. So I suggest you go in with a proper hard concealer that's going to sit onto your face. But this I'm not really having a problem with as yet because I think this foundation is good. It's just the color that's runny. So all you need to do is take some concealer or foundation that's really good and mix it with a color in your eyeshadow. Any color works perfect. And this is what it actually turned out like. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Just makes him a whole lot neater, but I just was getting used to the consistency and all of those things. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment. And so guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.